Okay, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along this journey with me of going to my first investment property at 19 years old. I'm very excited, so come on in. Hey guys, so I just wanted to talk a little bit more about my experience with this whole thing. I'm very blessed to be given this opportunity by my brother to be starting like with an investment property so young. It's something that I've really looked into and something that I love, and something that I think I can do really well in. So I wanted to vlog the experience and really learn from it, not only for myself but hopefully for you guys as well. And I don't know, I just thought it would be a really cool thing just because I am a 19-year-old girl already starting off investing in properties, which is really awesome, and I can't wait to show you guys this journey and for you to follow it with me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. Let's take a look. So, you said you want to follow along in this project.
Yes.
Good. So, yeah, we'll show you through. So, obviously, you need to rehab the kitchen.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Yeah. Don't think we can quite save this one, but and then they built these crazy walls, which I just punched a hole through that one, just to kind of see. But
So they built this?
yeah, they put this wall in for some reason. I don't know why. I think to create more bedrooms. You'll see it's really weird back there. There's this room, which is, I don't even know what, because it doesn't have a window or anything. This is just like some weird cabinet. So they built this little weird room here. So we've got to get rid of this or do something with it. I'm not even positive yet.
So this is the wall they built?
I don't know. See, it looks like they
Is it?
did because it's different texture, but that wall that we could see out there that the hole is through is in another room.
No, that's another one.
Yeah. So, I don't know. And then
I think this maybe
go straight into these rooms
maybe
here.
there's a closet or something.
I think so, yeah. And then they did, don't know what they did, but then they tore down this wall, which was a closet, I would assume. This was the master, so why they tore these down, I guess just to make a bigger master or something, but I don't know. So we gotta put the wall back up, make that another bedroom, put a closet here to make this the master again.
Okay.
And then obviously, we gotta do this bathroom. I don't think we save that, although that blue tile is starting to come back in, but I don't think most buyers are gonna like it. And this one too, the wallpaper is nice in this one.
The toilets, they really...
Yeah. So we got, so you really should have 2 bedrooms, right? 1,
Right.
2, and then 3.
And then this is a closet? Or like
This is
a
a
pantry?
little linen closet or whatever, yeah. And then this is 3rd bedroom. And
Does it
then
have a closet in here?
here's the 4th bedroom, which is great, it's all we need. But then see, they enclosed this. This is that wall that we can see from out there that we can push the hole through. So this will be family room, obviously that wall will come down easily. And then make this the family room, but what was going on with that other room, I don't know, so I've got to figure that out and see what we're gonna do with it, because we don't need 5 bedrooms, and it's not really a bedroom, we have that.
It is actually a lot bigger than what it seems like
Right.
from the outside.
Right, yeah.
Like you're taking me through it and I'm like, whoa. But it's
Right.
also like that for every new house. It's really...
Yeah. No, it's a pretty big house.
No,
It's
but
like
it actually-
17 or
it is.
1,800 square feet,
Yeah.
so it's pretty big, yeah. Obviously this window broke, so they kind of,
You try to patch it up.
like here, we'll put this metal in front of it. So yeah.
And then another bedroom here.
Yeah. So like I said, we really only need 4 bedrooms, so this middle one is kind of odd. So I don't know if we'll keep it as a den or, I don't know. I gotta figure out what to do with it as we kind of start demo and it'll start coming together to see what we're gonna do. Or open it up to make the family room bigger potentially.
No, that's Yeah, I feel like that would be a good idea as well.
See, it looks like there was a door here, you can kind of see, where they kind of had some sort of door there. So I'm not sure what, but I agree, it definitely used to be some sort of closet. No, it used to be some sort of closet, maybe two-way closet or something, or, yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure, so anyhow. So see, that's where it comes to this room, which that room we were looking at is behind here. Trying to figure out what to do with it, whether it makes a little den or something, or maybe it opens to make all of this. So once this wall comes down, it'll give me a little bit more idea of kind of what this flows.
What is this?
So this is storage and then laundry. So this, obviously, the door's kind of hanging off there. Don't want to put that. So yeah, so this is laundry. So then this will be kind of second phase, depending on how my budget comes out. I've done a lot of these where I take this room and drywall it and make it nice, and then pour the concrete. See how it steps up there?
Right.
But it steps up right here. So we pour concrete here, and then we put a wall right here with a door that goes outside, or maybe none. And then this all becomes part of the house, inside the house. Then we'll put air conditioning in here, and from the main unit. So all of this becomes square footage for the house, which will increase our value.
Wow.
Because we're going to add this, probably 200 square foot between here and this walkway we're standing in. So we'll add it to the house, so we'll be like 2,000 square foot, so it'll bring our value up. So as I get all of this figured out, if my budget still is intact, then we'll do this, because this will probably cost me another probably $3,000, $4,000 to do it. But if my budget is still okay, then I'll go ahead and do it, because it'll add
value.
Yep, and then I'll be able to get more money for it too.
That's awesome.
So, yeah.
That's a good idea.
And then the backyard will be pretty much just cleaned up. Potentially, it would be nice to have grass because it would be a family neighborhood, but if there's no sprinklers or anything, then we're not going to mess with it. Here's our broken window.
Adds character.
Yeah. It's one way to block the window.
What's a demo? What does that consist
So
of?
demo will be all of the flooring, all the cabinets, all the bathroom, all the tile, this wall, of course. Getting rid of all that stuff, get it out of
So just
here.
like cleaning everything out.
Get it down to just nothing in there. And then once we get to that point, then like I said, I can figure out what to do with that other room for sure. And we may demo it or change it or whatever. And then also demo that wall for the refrigerator, right? Because we got to move it over. And then we can start putting framing back in. So we'll frame up the closets in that front bedroom, frame back in the refrigerator area, and then just drywall, because we've got to drywall a lot of stuff. Obviously, there's lots of patching to do.
Yeah,
So
and I noticed there's like a lot of holes in the walls too, so you have to clean all of that.
we're probably going to have to retexture the whole house, because as we started looking at it, the texture is different in like every room.
Yeah.
So we're going to just probably texture the whole house so it's all consistent. So we'll probably just put a light up here, because somebody may want to, but anybody
but
that's
it might
tall,
be dangerous, right?
yeah, anybody that's really tall might feel like it's too low. So anytime we have kind of lower ceilings like this,
it is really low. I never noticed that.
Yeah.
I can touch it.
we want to keep all of the light fixtures and everything high, so that people don't feel like it's too low. Because if you put that fan in here, it's going to be down to here, right?
No, that is true, yeah.
And then people will go, oh, this is really low, and then they would notice it, where you didn't even notice it originally.
Yeah.
If we keep a nice flush light fixture there, then you won't even notice it.
Okay.
Yeah. So little tricks like that we've got to do to make sure, because I totally agree, a fan would be great, but yeah, if somebody comes out and goes, oh my gosh, this feels really low out here.
Yeah. No, that is smart. Wow, everything goes into it, huh? Every single little detail. This is awesome. I love it.
Yep. So this carport, as you notice, lots of the neighborhoods have garages that have been enclosed, or carports that have been enclosed as a garage or living space, like across the street. So we may enclose this as a garage. It'll add a lot of value to us.
Really?
So we'll put a frame down a wall there, here, then put a garage door here.
Wait, that would be really expensive, wouldn't it?
It would probably cost right around $3,000 to do it. The garage door.
Only that much?
Yeah, probably
to make
around.
a whole garage?
Yeah, because all we got to do is put one wall, two little short walls, and then a garage door. That's it.
Really?
So it'll be like that house over there. See that one with the two-car garage?
Right.
It will be like that. Actually, 2 doors down, there's another one. So most everybody is enclosed.
So how much value, added value, do you think it would As a
garage?
cost. Yeah, the garage.
It's
So you're
probably-
investing $3,000 to make the garage. How much more do you think you can
It
sell
would
it?
probably be around $6,000 to $7,000 more.
Really?
So it would basically double my investment, which would be worth doing
Right.
as long as everything else kind of comes together too, that fits all the budget and everything. And because depending on what all the rest of the stuff comes into, I'm going to come into this with two different strategies. Either do kind of minimal, I mean, it's not really going to be minimal, right? Cabinets and all that kind of stuff, and just sell it like that at kind of a cheaper price depending on how that budget comes in.
Right.
Or say, okay, let's go ahead and do the garage and do all of this enclosure and stuff, and let's push for a high number. So I've got to figure out that strategy, and as I get the rest of my quotes and get the rest of the demo in, make sure we don't come up with any surprises inside, then I'll determine that for sure. So if I can do all the inside stuff for around $15,000, which is what I'm kind of estimating for the cabinets and flooring and stuff like that, then I may just say, forget it, I'll just do that. And so I got it at, what, 195, 194, somewhere right in that range. So if I'm 15, I'm into it for about 210. It's probably worth around 240. So I may just say, forget it and sell it that way. Or maybe I'll say, okay, I'll put another, probably cost me $10,000 between doing this laundry we talked about, doing the garage, and then push for like 260 maybe, something like that. Yep, so this is the project.
That's
This is
awesome.
the plan.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I really appreciate all your
Yeah, you're welcome.
help and
Yeah,
showing
absolutely.
me around and everything.